Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable and turn off line wrapping selection on command prompt in Windows 10 PC. So to turn off and disable line wrapping selection, firstly click on Start, then type CMD. Now open command prompt, right click on this top bar, click on Properties. Here is the option line wrapping selection. So to turn off and disable, just uncheck this box, line wrapping selection, uncheck this box, then click on OK, close it. So by this quick method we can disable and turn off line wrapping selection in command prompt in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.